All right, the other day I went and visited the Market Import store at the West Side Market downtown Cleveland, and I found these awesome noodles that we're gonna make some homemade SpaghettiOs with. I made some really simple Italian meatballs. You could make them a little bit smaller if you would like, but they are time consuming, so I went with a medium size. Perfect little O's for our SpaghettiOs. The sauce is quite simple. I started off with some butter and some tomato paste. I went ahead and added in my dried Italian herbs, some garlic powder, salt and pepper. I then added in a jar of marinara sauce and a couple of cups of beef broth, and that came together perfectly for our homemade SpaghettiOs. Way to bring the nostalgia back. Enjoy.